4 persons died and 4 others were injured following a major road accident that took place near Biang village under New Kaithilmanvi police station around 6:30 this morning. The accident happened when a truck carrying labourers from Imphal to Cortland skidded off the road and fell down into a deep gorge while overtaking another vehicle, as per report. A case has been registered at the concerned police station regarding the fatal mishap. Hamro Sikkim Party Working President Baichung Bhutia expressed that the party would continuously work on the principle of clean politics and in the interests of Sikkim and its people. He stated yesterday that HSP would extend its full support to the Sikkim Krantikari Morcha government in the interests of the people of Sikkim. At a time when airlines are showing their back on the Northeast, Mizoram Chief Minister Zoramthanga on Sunday has returned to Union Civil Aviation Minister Hardip Singh Puri over hike in flight fare. Principal Consultant of Civil Aviation Wing Commander Joe Lalmingliana on Sunday disclosed that the State Chief Minister has complained about the exorbitant increase in airfare for the Aizawl-Kolkata and Aizawl-Imphal routes. Puri is likely to receive a letter on Monday. Lalmingliana further informed that they have appealed to Resident Commissioner of Mizoram House in New Delhi to submit the letter to the Union Minister on Monday. Reserve Bank of India Deputy Governor Viral Acharya resigned 6 months before his term ends in January 2020. Although Acharya has not announced yet, it is expected within RBI that he will be returning to academia. With the southwest monsoon running late, the country faces a 38% current rainfall deficit, according to the India Meteorological Department (IMD). The IMD said the country as a whole received 79.9 mm rainfall so far this monsoon season, whereas the long period average is 114.2 mm. This leaves a shortfall of 38%. A strong earthquake struck today in Indonesia's Banda Sea, but authorities said there is no tsunami threat. The US Geological Survey said the magnitude 7.3 quake is centered 208 kilometers below the Earth's surface. It was felt in parts of Indonesia and in East Timor's capital, Dili, but there were no reports of damage. President Donald Trump brushed aside the gruesome killing of Washington Post columnist Jamal Khashoggi, saying his death has already been investigated and a Saudi pledge to spend billions of dollars on US military equipment means something to him. Mr. Trump, in an interview on NBC's Meet the Press, said the subject of Khashoggi then come up when he and King Salman spoke on Thursday, the day after the report was released. Rescuers were today continuing to search the rubble of a building that collapsed while under construction in the Cambodia beach town, killing at least 25 workers as they slept in the unfinished condominium that was doubling as their housing. The 7-story building collapsed early Saturday on top of the dozens of construction workers who were sleeping on the second floor.